In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove or uninstall Google Chrome from Windows 11 tutorial. We are going to use the built-in Windows tools to remove Chrome from your computer in a simple and organized way. This method is useful if you no longer use the browser, if you want to reinstall it later, or if you are trying to free up space and remove unused programs from your system. To begin, open the control panel on your Windows 11 computer. If you do not already have it open, you can access it from the Start menu by searching for Control Panel and selecting it from the results. Once the Control Panel window appears, make sure you are in the standard view where the main categories are visible. This will make the next option easier to find. From here, click on Programs. After that, select Uninstall a program. This will open the list of applications currently installed on your computer. It may take a few moments to load, especially if you have many programs installed, so give it a second if the list does not appear right away. Now look through the list and find the Google Chrome icon. You can scroll manually or simply look for the entry named Google Chrome in the Installed Programs section. Finding the correct application is important here, especially if you have several Google-related items installed. Once you locate Google Chrome, select it so it is highlighted. Then begin the uninstall process from that entry. Windows may ask you for confirmation before continuing. If that happens, approve the prompt so the removal can move forward. Follow the uninstall window until the process is complete. If Chrome was your main browser, keep in mind that links and web pages may open in a different browser after removal. Windows will usually switch to another installed browser automatically. Also, closing Chrome completely before uninstalling can help prevent errors during the process, so make sure it is not still running in the background. After the uninstall finishes, Chrome will no longer be available on your Windows 11 system through the usual installed programs list. If you ever want it back, you can always download and install it again later from the official Google website that covers everything you need to know.